In any workplace, it is essential to maintain the environment and ensure the health, safety, and well-being of workforce. This is where environmental, health, and safety officers play a vital role. This video provides a thorough overview of the roles and responsibilities of a safety officer. Let's get started. Roles of the safety officer. 1. Monitor and assess hazardous and unsafe situations. 2. Develop measures to assure personnel safety. 3. Exercise emergency authority to prevent or stop unsafe acts when immediate action is required. 4. Maintain awareness of active and developing situations. 5. Ensure there are safety messages in each incident action plan. 6. Participate in planning meetings to identify any health and safety concerns. 7. Be part of the Project Safety Council and lead efforts to enhance safety. 8. Serve as the link between state and local agencies and contractors. 9. Support the development of OHS policies and programs. 10. Advise and instruct on various safety-related topics like noise levels and use of machinery. 11. Initiate and organize OHS training of employees and executives. Responsibilities of the safety officer. 1. Correct unsafe acts or conditions through the regular line of authority. 2. Review the incident action plan for safety implications. 3. Investigate accidents that have occurred. 4. Ensure preparation and implementation of the site safety and health plan. 5. Inspect the site to ensure it is a hazard-free environment. 6. Conduct toolbox meetings. 7. Review and approve all subcontractors' safety plans. 8. Verify that injury logs and reports are completed and submitted to related government agencies. 9. Verify that all tools and equipment are adequate and safe for use. 10. Promote safe practices at the job site. 11. Enforce safety guidelines. 12. Train and carry out drills and exercises on how to manage emergencies. 13. Conduct investigations of all accidents and near misses. 14. Report to concerned authorities as requested or mandated by regulations. 15. Conduct job hazard analysis. 16. Establish safety standards and policies as needed. 17. Watch out for the safety of all workers and work to protect them from entering hazardous situations. 18. Respond to employees' safety concerns. 19. Coordinate registration and removal of hazardous waste. 20. Receive reports from and respond to orders issued by the Department of Labor. 21. Arrange for OSHA-mandated testing and/or evaluations of the workplace by external agencies, consultants. 22. Conduct risk assessments and enforce preventative measures. 23. Review existing policies and measures and update them according to legislation. 24. Inspect premises and the work of personnel to identify issues or nonconformity, like not using protective equipment. 25. Oversee installations, maintenance, and disposal of substances. 26. Stop any unsafe acts or processes that seem dangerous or unhealthy. 27. Record and investigate incidents to determine causes and handle workers' compensation claims. 28. Prepare reports on occurrences and provide statistical information to upper management. 29. Carry out permit to work monitoring and review.